Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to delete resume in LinkedIn. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Deleting a resume or document from LinkedIn can be done by following these steps. Open your web browser, go to the LinkedIn website, linkedin.com, and log in your account if you haven't already. Now, click on your profile picture or your profile name at the top of the LinkedIn homepage. This will take you to your LinkedIn profile page. Scroll down to your profile page to the featured section. This is where your uploaded documents, including resumes, are displayed. In the featured section, locate the resume or document that you want to delete. LinkedIn allows you to upload multiple documents, so make sure you identify the correct one. Hover your mouse over the document you want to delete. You should see three dots, more options, appear in the top right corner of the document thumbnail. Click on the three dots and a menu will appear. From the menu, choose Remove from Featured. This action will remove the document from the featured section of your profile. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm the removal. Click on the confirmation button, usually labeled Remove or Confirm, to permanently delete the document from your profile. After confirming, double check your profile to ensure the document has been removed. It should no longer appear in the featured section. By following these steps, you can delete a resume or any other document from your LinkedIn profile. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.